In this video, I will show you how to stop startup apps in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So whilst having some apps start up automatically when you load up your PC, it can be quite convenient, but in some cases, if you've got a lot of startup apps, this can slow down your PC and it can take longer to actually load up your PC. Now, to go ahead and stop startup apps from opening automatically when you start your PC, what you're going to want to do from your Windows desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon and click to open up your settings. If you don't see your settings here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Now, once you've got your settings open, to come across this menu on the left hand side, what you want to do now is click onto apps, and on the app screen you want to come down and you're going to see at the bottom the option for startup. So this is going to be apps that start automatically when you sign in. What you want to do is give that a click, and this is going to display all the apps that are set to start up automatically. So you can see most of mine have been turned off, but I've got a couple that I've left on which are kind of essential. For example, my CCleaner, and if we scroll through you can see I've got a couple of others like my Realtek audio service. So things like this you want to keep turned on, but of course things, for example, like the Epic Games Launcher, you don't necessarily need to have that open automatically. So to go ahead and turn these off, all you need to do is turn the switch off next to the service that you want to turn off. So for example, if you wanted to turn off Copilot and stop that from starting up automatically, you would just come over here and turn this switch off, just like so. You can just go through and repeat this for as many apps as you want, and that is how to stop startup apps in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.